Powerful machines assist in cutting, welding, polishing, and restoring both the exterior and interior to premium condition. This detailed process not only revives classic engineering, but also reduces waste by saving valuable materials from complete destruction. Step by step, faded metal becomes glossy paint, broken components become functional systems, and worn interiors return to luxurious comfort. Every phase highlights craftsmanship, innovation, and dedication to preserving automotive history.